Hey guys, my name is Alex, one of the co-founders of Auric, and today we'll be showing you how to set up your Auric device on the app. So when the Auric device gets shipped to you, you'll also receive an email alongside with it, which will be a welcome to Auric email, which will contain in it a unique QR code for you to scan and connect the device to your account. So from the app, we can click on set up my device, get a little QR code scanner, and scan that device. You can then name it. So we're in the office here in Austin, so I'll call it the office Aromasphere. Next, office, it's a large one, so we'll set that to large. We are on Chicago time, so set that to Chicago. Hit next. So normally when you receive your device, the oils will come separately and you can load them in to the device, but for the sake of time, we've already preloaded all of them. So something like marjoram, when you are installing the oils, it's as simple as just pushing up and clicking it in, then close up everything. You'll notice here as well, once you do load the oils, they will appear here automatically populated. You can click on any individual oil, such as lavender from Europe or ylang ylang, and you can get a bit more info about that oil. Hit finish. You choose to connect your biometrics. I don't actually have my smartwatch on today, so we will skip that for now. And that's connecting the Auric device to the network. From the app now, we have a few options to launch a ritual. So we can do a quick diffuse. So this is where we recommend you to give the rituals a bit of a try. So right now we're in the office, like I said, so might launch a focus ritual just to get me in the mood for doing a bit of work. You'll see here, this device starts to go. That on, and that'll run. So this particular ritual is 20 minutes empowerment blend. That'll run for 20 minutes. It's a beautiful smell coming through. We can also, so we'll just stop this ritual for now, just so we can show you some other parts of the app. You can also choose specific rituals that you might have in mind. So for my rituals, I can schedule some. So one of my favorite ones is down here, Tranquil Essence. So I can select that one, add it to my schedule. So this is a 10-minute little burst of focus. I can set this up to launch at 4 p.m. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Finish, and that'll set it up and connect it to our schedule. So this will run every Sunday, Monday, Tuesday at 4. Go back here. See it just here. Now, if I wanted to launch it now as well, I can click on it and I can choose to begin now. That will also launch the ritual. So there we go, simple as that. Under 2 minutes to set up your Auric device and start enjoying those Auric scents and rituals. Thank you.